How to turn salt water into drinking water. Desalination is the process of removing salt from saltwater, which might be necessary due to a lack of clean drinking water in your area. You might also need to do this someday if you are ever stranded somewhere without access to salt-free water. There are several different ways of removing salt from water and turning it into drinking water. Using a pot and stove. Get a large pot with a lid and an empty drinking cup. The glass should be big enough to hold a fair amount of freshwater. Make sure the glass is short enough that you can still put it inside of the pot with the lid on it. Use a pot and lid that are meant to be heated on a stovetop. A Pyrex or metal cup is safest, as certain types of glass will explode when exposed to heat. Plastic may melt or deform. Pour some saltwater into the pot slowly. Do not overfill the pot. Stop well before the water level has reached the mouth of the glass. This will help to ensure that no saltwater splashes into the glass while it is boiling. You don't want to get any saltwater into the drinking glass, or your newly made fresh water will be contaminated. Place the pot cover upside down on the pot. This will allow the water vapor to drip into the drinking glass as it condenses. Position the pot lid so that the highest point or handle of the lid is facing down towards the glass and is directly above the glass. Make sure the pot lid has a good seal with the edges of the pot. Without a good seal, a lot of the steam will escape and this will reduce the supply of fresh water vapor. Bring the water to a slow boil. You will want to boil the water slowly over low heat. A violent full boil can contaminate the drinking water by splashing into the glass. Too much heat can cause a glass to break. If the water is boiling quickly and violently, the glass may shift away from the center of the pot and the handle of the pot lid. Watch the pot as the water condenses. When water boils, it becomes pure vapor, leaving behind anything that was dissolved in it. As the water becomes vapor, it condenses in the air as steam and on the lid's surface as water droplets. The droplets then run down to the lowest point, the handle, and drip right into the glass. This will probably take 20 minutes or more. Wait a little while before drinking the water. The glass and water will be very hot. There may be a small amount of saltwater left in the pot, so be careful when removing the glass of freshwater not to splash any saltwater into your freshwater. You might find that the glass and fresh water will cool faster if you remove it from the pot. Be careful as you remove the glass so you don't get burnt. Use an oven mitt or potholder to take it out.